Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys the new garden Ascension feature in Grow a Garden. So basically you're just going to go to the corner here. It's next to the sell and seed shop to the right. As you can see, you can select what are you selling first. So basically these items come at a cost. So if you want more slot upgrade, you will need 50 of these Ascension coins. Egg capacity update, 20 coins. Pet inventory capacity upgrade, 20 as well. Cosmetic upgrade, 10. And plant inventory capacity, 20. So you'll see for slots, it will unlock one additional slot for your plot. And then for this one additional egg slot. And then for the pet inventory, you will get 10 additional slots. And then cosmetics, 10. And plant inventory, you'll get 10. So basically, to get the Ascension coins, select I want to send. And you will need, I don't know, is that like 1 billion? And I think you'll need this as well. And you'll get 10 garden coins per this, however much this is. So yeah, if you want to give all of your shekels out, you could, but I'm not going to. But yeah, that is pretty much it. It is a new feature that they're still trying to test out to see if players like it or not. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.